So yeah, so I'm in Røst here at my home island. I'm out a little bit of a birding trip, and I just managed to find some very cool birds. They're called the red-necked phalaropes, and there are 3 species of phalarope in the world. They all share the same special thing, that they have turned around the sex roles. So that means that the males are the ones that do most of the work. The females are just finding an attractive male, mating, and then after the female have laid their eggs, then she disappears and the male has to do all the work himself. So the male then incubates all the eggs, taking care of the chicks, and then the female has already gone on to the next male. So the female is then mating with a second male and doing the same thing, laying the eggs, and then disappear. Then she finds another male, and so she goes on. And actually a phalarope can have maybe 6-7 different males in 1 year. So she is really trying to make the most out of it and having a happy life. The males are usually doing the hard work, and also because of this, the female is the one with the strongest colors. Normally with birds it's the opposite. I just have to turn around here because it's a little bit windy and it's actually picking up the wind. So it's actually picking up also the wind, so I have to be a little bit careful not to ruin the sound completely for you guys. So the female has the strongest colors. The male is a little bit more grayish, and normally with birds it's the opposite. So normally with the birds, the male are the ones with the brightest color and the female has the more camouflaged. But here, since the male is the one that's doing all the incubation in the nest, and they have the nest on the ground in the grassy tussocks, like this. So there is so since the male is the one doing all the incubation, he needs to be the more camouflaged ones, and not to be easily seen by the predators like crows and ravens, skuas, and maybe even some hawks or falcons. So I just found the phalarope speck. I tried to turn around, so maybe you can also get a look at it. They are just behind in the pond just behind me. Maybe you can see it even now. I try to zoom in for you guys, so maybe you get a closer look. Okay, so I now managed to actually get a little bit closer, and it's actually not just a little bit, but it's actually very much closer. You can see, if I scroll down here, you can see. Oh, so I have to be a little bit careful here. Let's try. Disappearing there. Okay, so just trying very careful here to get so you guys can see it. Oh, sorry, I can't step on the camera. Oh. Okay, I hope you see she's hunting for insects. it's birds is just in front of me. It's 2 females, and they are just preening, and now and then feeding a little bit, but also just preening the feathers like I wasn't here. It's so fantastic to have this close. I try not to disturb too much, but it's so nice when you have the animals in front of you and they just keep doing the thing that they would have done if I wasn't here. I have to talk a little bit low voice now because they're usually not super careful about the noise. It's more about the movement for these birds, but yeah, I try to be a little bit silent, not to risk anything. But yeah, I have to look. Yeah. So you guys have to see this as well. I can't keep on filming myself because it's just too stupid when they're so close. Sorry. But yeah, you managed to get some very nice and close views of this red-necked phalarope, and I hope you also enjoyed this amazing experience. It's so nice to, and you can, it's still there. You can have the bird, you crawl up, and at the end they barely notice you, and they keep on doing their thing, feeding, preening, or do what they would do if I wasn't here even. So that is it's super nice to see. So yeah, that's for now. I will go on now, leave these birds alone, and maybe I find something better in the next lake or around the next corner. You never know with birding. That's why it's so exciting. You never know what you find.